Jall Fill. This is Jall Fill. Here, we have one line object. Select the object, and press Jall Fill button. Here, you can see, Jall Fill has been filled. Select the object, and open Jall Fill property, by pressing F shortcut key. Here, we will add 1 mm, in stitch spacing. If we want to change stitch pattern, select the object, and open Jall Fill property, by pressing F shortcut key. Now we will add offset property, 25 in A and 0 in B. Here, you can see, object stitch pattern has been changed. Let's see again.
Now we will add 0 in A.
Here, you can see, all stitches are set, in a vertical line. Let's see again. Now, we will add 50 in A. Here, you can see, all stitches are set, in an alternative line. Now, we will change back stitch pattern. Here, you can see, back stitch pattern has been changed. Now, we will change stitch length. Here, you can see, stitch length has been changed.